ধরো আমরা প্রিজম নিয়েছি, প্রিজম কিরম দেখতে হয়, এরম দুপাশে এরম একটা শেপের স্ট্রাকচার, দুপাশে দুটো ক্রস সেকশনাল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল থাকে, এপাশে একটা স্ল্যান্টিং সারফেস, ওপাশে একটা স্ল্যান্টিং সারফেস, এটাকে বলা হয় অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ দ্য প্রিজম। লাইট রেগুলো এই সারফেসে এসে পড়ে, এপাশে সারফেসে এসে লাইট রেগুলো পড়ে। যদি হোয়াইট লাইট এখানে এসে পড়ে তাহলে লাইট রেটা অপটিক্যালি রেয়ারার থেকে অপটিক্যালি ডেন্সার মিডিয়ামে যায়। কিন্তু লাইট রে যখন হোয়াইট লাইট যখন এয়ারে ট্রাভেল করে তখন হোয়াইট লাইটের যে 7টা কম্পোনেন্ট, সেটা হচ্ছে ভায়োলেট, ইন্ডিগো, ব্লু, গ্রিন, ইয়েলো, অরেঞ্জ, রেড, তখন একই স্পিডে ট্রাভেল করে। বাট when it enters the glass medium, the wave is split into its constituent colors. Now while it travels from glass medium to air medium, the distance between the order increases as the light ray bends away from the normal. So what will happen? The light ray will further deviate and the 7 colors will be of the order violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. The splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors is called dispersion of light, and the 7 color that is taken on a screen, this is the screen, and the 7 colors obtained on the screen is called spectrum of colors. Now why does dispersion occurs? Actually, white light has 7 components, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. While white light travels in air, all the components travel with the same speed. But while it enters glass medium, the speed of red becomes maximum and violet becomes minimum. Red, having greater wavelength, have the maximum speed and its refractive index is least, while the refractive index of violet is maximum. So the bending of violet light will be more, so at the bottom we will get violet color. Since the bending of red light is least, at the top we will get red, and the bending will be intermediate, violet and red, the two extremes, and then indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, the intermediate colors will be present in this order. So maximum bending violet, then indigo, then blue, then green, yellow, orange, red, in this way. So the red has minimum bending because it has maximum wavelength. Violet has maximum bending because it has smallest wavelength. And the color of light, you should remember that the color represents the wavelength. Red has the maximum wavelength and the greatest speed, so it will bend the least, while violet will bend the most. So this phenomenon is known as dispersion, that is splitting of white light into its constituent colors, and when the 7 colors are obtained on the screen, it is called spectrum or spectrum of colors. Now dispersion takes place in a dispersive medium. It may be a prism. I have drawn here a prism. Prisms are of different shapes. Maybe an equilateral prism having all the angles equal to 60 degree, or may not be equal to 60 degree, all the angles. But even raindrops, very fine spherical raindrops, may act as a dispersive medium. The formation of rainbow seen in the sky after rainfall is also a phenomenon of dispersion, but the sky in the opposite direction of the sun acts as a screen here, and the rainbow form contains the 7 constituent colors. There the dispersion is brought about by the raindrops. There the raindrops, very fine spherical shaped raindrops suspended in the air in moist condition, disperse the light ray into its 7 constituent colors and the rainbow is formed. So this is all about dispersion, at least for this level.